Alright, wow, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm going to today, even though we don't have the bicycle warmer, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa coming here for the teacher about English.
Yes.
It's okay because I got a best student wonder what word. His name is Ahyat. Every single time, every single meeting, you visiting here, you want to learn English. Alright. Today, I want to explain or give my idea about experience about that or like experience or topic today talking about Facebook, right? As I know nowadays, every college student or university students they busy with for learning hard, study hard for their education, like a university busy with in test, Simon. So I'm afraid of if I find a wife couldn't cook. So just waiting for or buy something for outside or inside or somewhere market, and then after the people cook something and then just waiting and then buy that every single place nowadays. So if I find like teenager nowadays, not only boys but also girls, what after they get tired or lazy, just for buy like noodle, pop me, indomie. It's very dangerous for our health, our body nowadays. For so long we will consumption that for eat that every single time. You know what? So gonna be dangerous for cancer. So like kidney or heart attack or lungs. You know what? So I have no idea why every single people very toy like for buy like Indomie or Pommy or Facebook like so that very dangerous. So I myself every single time to talk for every single every single time for my friend or my partner or my my family. You don't have to buy every single time like Facebook. It's very dangerous for us. So I'm afraid, very tired, afraid. That if I find a wife couldn't cook, but if I find a wife couldn't cook, I'm gonna get the first, 30th, the 31st. What? Make me uncomfortable if I couldn't find people can cook because I can't cook exactly just rice and then boil egg or boil water and then but when my grandma before passed away, I always learn that every single day. But I can't focusing that because I can't remember that. But the ingredient and bomb so even though nowadays we have internet or YouTube always to cook, that I'm going to try to learn that. So it is for preparing if my wife future get pregnant or what get sick or unhealthy. So I have to be preparing until now. Alright, that's my time. So I suggest you one more time. You don't have to buy like a noodle or instant instant noodle or focus for eat your face every single day. A month, 2 times or twice, it's okay. But every single day gonna be dangerous for your kidney, lung, heart attack. About you cross eyes. Alright, that's my time and speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.